Welcome to my little garden in my sweet bell paper. Okay, where is it? It's right here. It's covering, alright. And I got alright there. And where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's right here. It's right here. I got more here. See? And my tomato. I'm gonna walk you through my garden. My tomatoes. Oh, look at you. And I have some more in here. Oh, my happy day. And say hello. I have more here too. Got more here. So beautiful. And my tomato. And just like a kid. And I'm so happy. You see? Oh. It's time to spray with the bugs again. Bug spray. I think that's oh, it's not bugs. Oh my gosh. I'm so paranoid with bugs, and everything I see is like bugs. I've been spraying all my my plants with bug spray, like the homemade organic bug spray. Like I made it and it works very good for them. And look at my plants, they're very healthy. And it's organic fertilizer I've been using. It's a zero waste fertilizer. I've been using them all of my plants, my vegetables, and this one too. Okay, it's not bugs. I guess it's not bugs. I'm gonna spray them. They grow so tall. I don't know why. This kind of tomato, like, they grow so tall. You know, how tall is this baby? It's very tall. This is how tall she is. She's taller than me, and she needs a stick though because she's laying on the ground. Oh, poor thing. Now I'm looking at a stick. Okay. Alright. So I have one more here. I have tomato everywhere. I cannot keep up. And I have more sweet bell paper here. And another one. Okay, it's right there. They're giving me flowers already. And I know it's like bugs there. Like, oh. Alright.